All right, welcome back, third grade. So today we're going to be talking about resources, and this is going to go on the third page of our interactive notebook. So this is the page that you are going to have. It's going to say resources, natural, capital, human. So pause the video and go color your page. Now that we've colored our page, we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut around the whole box. And don't worry about the dotted lines yet. We'll come back to those. So cut all the way around. Okay. So now we have something like this, and we don't need that. So now we are going to take our 3 flaps and we're going to cut on the solid line. Only 2 cuts and you will stop there. Like that. There's 1. Two. So this is what we're going to look like when we're done cutting. Now we're done with our scissors, so we can put that away. Now pay attention to this. This is kind of confusing. So we are then going to fold our piece of paper like this into our interactive notebook, and then to finish the folding, you'll fold up the resources. So it's gonna look something like this, okay? Now, we need to take our glue stick and glue this down in our interactive notebook. So we are only going to put glue on this part of our piece of paper so this can open and our flaps can open. So only put glue on the square of our piece of paper. So I'm gonna take my glue stick, put some glue on it. Then we're gonna glue it into our interactive notebook. Now, we're gonna talk about what these mean. So, these are natural resources, and we're gonna start with natural. You're gonna flip it up, and I'm gonna tell you what you're gonna write under it. So, for the first one, we're gonna write materials or substances from nature that are used to produce goods and services. Materials or substances from nature that are used to produce goods and services. That's our first one. Then capital, we will be writing goods that are used to make other goods and services. This is going to be like our buildings and machinery. I'm just going to write that so I know the examples of what those resources would be. Then our final one is our human resources, and this is going to be the people involved in the production of goods and services. Okay. So then once we're done writing, this is what the end of our page 3 of our interactive notebook for economics is going to look like. Good job.